Unraveling the Wonders of Artificial Intelligence. The rise of artificial intelligence. In recent decades, the rapid evolution of technology has given birth to a phenomenon that is transforming the world as we know it: artificial intelligence. From futuristic dreams to tangible reality, AI has become an integral part of our daily lives, influencing industries, economies, and societal norms. Understanding artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence refers to the capability of machines to imitate intelligent human behavior. It encompasses a broad spectrum of technologies and applications, ranging from simple rule-based systems to complex neural networks capable of learning and decision-making. The pillars of AI, machine learning. At the heart of AI lies machine learning, a subset that enables systems to learn from data without explicit programming. Three main types include supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. These algorithms power various applications, such as image recognition, natural language processing, and recommendation systems. AI in everyday life. The integration of AI into daily life is seamless and often unnoticed. Voice assistants, recommendation algorithms, and facial recognition technologies exemplify AI's impact on our interactions with devices, services, and even public spaces. Revolutionizing industries. AI has brought about transformative changes across industries. In healthcare, it aids in diagnostics and drug discovery. In finance, it optimizes trading strategies and detects fraudulent activities. The automotive sector is embracing AI for autonomous vehicles, promising a future of safer and more efficient transportation. Challenges and ethical considerations. As AI proliferates, concerns about its ethical implications emerge. Issues like bias in algorithms, job displacement due to automation, and privacy violations prompt a critical examination of the ethical dimensions surrounding AI development and deployment. The road ahead. Future trends in AI. The trajectory of AI development is dynamic. Quantum computing, explainable AI, and AI's integration with the Internet of Things, IoT, are among the anticipated advancements that will shape the future landscape of artificial intelligence. AI in pop culture and public perception. AI's portrayal in movies and literature often oscillates between utopian dreams and dystopian nightmares. Understanding how AI is perceived in popular culture can shed light on societal attitudes and expectations surrounding this transformative technology. Navigating the AI landscape. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is not just a technological marvel, but a force reshaping our world. As we navigate through the AI landscape, it is crucial to strike a balance between innovation and ethical considerations to harness the full potential of this powerful tool. The journey into the realm of artificial intelligence continues, promising a future where human intelligence collaborates harmoniously with machine intelligence.